We are going to start in 2 minutes.
Have water, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Actually, घर में काम चल रहा है बस. That is why मैं.
Okay.
So I think there are. You people are requested to enter your names with your school name also.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I hope I should start with because it is already 2 minutes.
Yes.
Dear teachers, in contemporary times, teachers are facing many challenges. The biggest one is how to fulfill the basic purpose of education, how to inculcate the moral values, knowledge, and ethics in children, how to make education employment oriented so that the child becomes a responsible citizen. After completing the education, his holistic development should be the purpose of education. So, my dear colleagues, what is the meaning of shikshak actually? She, शिखर तक ले जाने वाला. क्ष, क्षमा करने की भावना रखने वाला. क, कमजोरी दूर करने वाला. अर्थात जो विद्यार्थी की हर गलती को क्षमा करने की भावना रखता है और उसकी हर कमजोरी को दूर कर उसको शिखर अर्थात सफलता की शिखर तक लेकर जाता है, वही सच्चा शिक्षक है. So I welcome you all in the session number 4 of NEED's training program. So under the esteemed guidance of Dr. Nisha Pashin and Mrs. Jaya Bhartwaj, our cluster head, I hope you people will enjoy the session. In the morning, let us start with this positive energy today's session, and it is all about I will start with the ice breaking activity. Just have a look on this. Identify the variables and constants. So I would be, like to call one of the participants, and that is, let me see, Gauri Kaushal. Madam Gauri Kaushal, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, ma'am, this is actually the ice-breaking activity for everyone. Everyone must be thinking about it, that what have to do actually. So, ma'am, in 1 minute, just observe picture. You have to tell me the variables only, and the other teachers be ready with the constant. Ma'am, your time starts now. Kindly start recognizing the variables in this picture.
Variable?
Yeah, ma'am. Number 1. Start it, ma'am. Number 1.
Ma'am, people.
Yeah,
shops.
That's very good.
Am I right? I'm going.
Yes, yes,
people,
yes.
shops,
Yeah.
market. Market.
Yeah.
Office time.
Okay.
Okay. Evening.
Very good. More.
Pleasant evening.
Yeah.
Windows. So many balcony. Office area. I think it's market. It's a market.
It's market. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks. So the next thing.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Jyoti Rani ma'am. Jyoti Rani ma'am. Good evening. Jyoti Rani ma'am, unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Kanika Gill ma'am. Kanika Gill ma'am, just unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Good
Yes,
evening.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
चलिए रेडी. आपको ज्यादा टाइम मिला कांस्टेंट को समझने के लिए. स्टार्ट योर वर्क.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Some AC are there in the building. At the windows, boards are there.
Those are constants, ma'am.
Some boards are there,
Okay.
and crowd is there.
Constants, ma'am. Constants. This is the ice-breaking activity for algebra, and we have to sorry, identify variables and constants. So you have to tell me what things are constant over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can see, ma'am, people I can see here.
Are they constant? People can be constant, ma'am. In this figure, they are constant. Listen. In this,
Ma'am, I can see the blocks here. Some blocks are there of building.
okay.
Like I can see 9 blocks here.
Okay. Then
Am I right?
you may be right. Let us see.
Number of people, ma'am. Number of people
Number of
that we
people.
can count.
Listen. Number of people in this picture itself. Only in this picture. Otherwise, number of people may vary anywhere at any place. But in this picture, we can count them, and those are countable. So here, those people in this stationary picture are constant. Otherwise, number of people are variables.
Variable. Yes.
Yeah. So we have to do that, children. That is it, ma'am.
Helmet.
Yeah.
What about helmets,
Okay.
Niksha, ma'am?
Ma'am, everything is stationary over here. Can you see? Everything
Vivo
is
shop.
here.
Vivo shop is there.
Yeah,
Pole, ma'am, pole.
Ma'am, one bucket. Ma'am, one bucket is also
Single
there.
pole.
that's wonderful.
Single pole, ma'am, single pole.
ये हमारी picture reading quality है मैम, and students
Picture is not clear. Picture is not.
yeah,
Tree is also there.
this still picture is also constant, ma'am, because one picture is there. That is also constant. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. Can I proceed further? Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope
Yes, ma'am.
so. I hope everyone recognize this picture. Everyone is aware of.
Yes, ma'am.
She is our
Yes.
cluster head, Madam Jaya Bhardwaj.
Jaya ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just have a look the other side of this picture. So, can you read this? Everyone must be able to read this.
I, as a teacher trainer,
Sorry. So, this is one of the books written by Madam Jaya Bhardwaj, The Tact of Teachings. And my topic is also Tact of Teaching. Can you see these words over here? The education scenario in India, then surroundings, challenges, changes in education scenario, training of teachers that we are doing today, school administration, examination and evaluation, children and role of parents, then current challenges. My dear teachers, she has written a wonderful book. I want to take two key points within 2 minutes. If we see the education scenario in India, then what is there in that? It is ancient education system, then medieval education system, Western education system, and new education policy, and the national curriculum which came now. Then if we talk about the surroundings, what to teach, how to teach, learning opportunity for children, discipline, should it be punishment or it should be the feel for the children, democratic teaching or learning, freedom to learn. Then if we see the changes and challenges in education scenario. Then challenges faced by parents as well as teachers. Then tendency of learning leaving the school. Then public school versus the government schools. Then attraction of modern gadgets and disinterest in reading books. Okay, I would like to carry forward with this point. If I read it, attraction of modern gadgets and disinterest in reading books. Okay. Harjeet Kaur ma'am, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just read this sentence. You have to just explain it in 15 seconds, right? And it is attraction of modern gadgets and disinterest in reading books. What does it mean?
Repeat, ma'am.
Okay. Attraction of modern gadgets and disinterest in
उसमें खा ले मैं खा लिया
I think rest of the teachers
आराम
are
कर ले थोड़ा
requested to mute them. Please.
हाँ म्यूट कर दे तभी मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर.
Please. You are requested to mute yourself.
Ma'am, you are showing the slide or you are just speaking? Actually, I am not able to see your slide.
Ma'am, but it is very much visible. I think everyone is able to see it. It's okay, ma'am. It's okay. चलिए आप मुझे सिर्फ 15 सेकंड में ये बताइए. What does it mean that the attraction of modern gadgets and disinterest in reading books? What does it mean?
Actually, ma'am, modern gadgets are more attractive than the reading books because new generation always attract towards the gadgets. Gadgets, है ना? And they don't want to read the books. New things they want.
Of course. क्या उसमें कोई harm है कि वो books नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं और new gadgets को use कर रहे हैं?
Actually, ma'am, if they are not, because there is a limitation. If they are using much gadgets, then
she mentioned that the limitations. That's a wonderful point, ma'am. Thank you so much. Minnie Kapoor ma'am wants to say something. Minnie ma'am, the second word, the vocabulary we want to take out. First, ma'am said.
सुमेशा मैम प्लीज आपकी वॉइस नहीं क्लियर है प्लीज.
Okay, ma'am.
I've told you earlier also. नहीं पता क्या है मेरे ख्याल म्यूट नहीं है कन्वर्सेशन टीचर्स की ना.
Okay, ma'am. I just.
हाँ अब ठीक है. अब बोलो मैम. Yes.
So first vocabulary जो मैम ने बताई हरजीत मैम ने, that was limitation for the students or for the kids. What can be the other way?
Limitations for the limitations. I have not understood.
Okay, she said कि गैजेट्स को यूज करने की कुछ लिमिटेशंस होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि
अच्छा to use gadgets. अच्छा there should be the limitations to use gadgets. Okay. Okay.
But
Then
the other way to encourage them that they should read the books also instead of using.
they should read the books.
Gadgets.
Yeah. Okay. Books also. They have to read the books also.
Yes, ma'am.
Inspired. हाँ. Okay, ma'am. हाँ. फिर then what is your question?
Then my question was कि उनको encourage कैसे करें कि attraction of modern
How to encourage? Okay.
Yeah.
To read the books.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much, Minnie ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so just listen to this slide. This is a wonderful slide for teachers from Nisha Pashin ma'am. Just have a look.
I, as a teacher trainer, remember some kind of instances where I could see the impact of a teacher on the child. Once, a teacher was teaching mathematics to the students. One girl happened to meet me and she was trying to struggle to solve the questions. I went near her and asked her that what is the problem? Can I help you? She said, nobody can help me. I said, but why? And her statement back was, मेरी teacher कहती है मेरे को कभी मैथमेटिक्स नहीं आएगा. Imagine your one statement, how it can put the impression or scar on a child. So a word of caution for all of us, for me, for you, and we all have to be sensitive about it.
So here we start with our session, that is tact of teaching. Dear teachers, there are two words: to teach, to reach. To teach means what to teach, how to teach, whom to teach. And to reach means we have a look on the present scene of the classroom. Here students have done certain activity and they are showing it to me. With that thing I'm missing nowadays. Okay. Have a look on this video.
In itself is an interesting and joyful process. Then why learning in school is boring, burdensome, and painful? Why those backbenchers are always left out in the class? Why disciplining the child is taxing for the teacher and painful for the student? Why a mammoth amount of study hours yield an ant-sized results? Everyone knows there are gaps. Everyone knows there is a problem. But where? Equip yourself with the knowledge to answer all these questions and to fill all.
Okay. So, you must have seen that video. A wonderful video it was. Actually, I liked it, so I shared it with you. Mathematics in daily life, the most fascinating of all knowledge and the most phobia generating subject in the school curriculum is mathematics. The way in which it is introduced to the learners, devoid of its daily application, has been the root cause of the present scenario as experienced by everyone in the country. While celebrating Ramanujan's dedicated life, it is pertinent to note that the way in which one experiences mathematical applications in daily life from the time one gets up from bed till one goes to bed in the night. An attempt is being made to illustrate some of these instances in this brief paper, particularly to motivate children to learn this subject with interest and enthusiasm. There is a real life application of almost every form of mathematics. It does not mean that every student will use every piece of mathematics that they learn, but it does mean we can show them how we can use that bit of mathematics to understand and explain something around us. A very simple example, dear teachers, is money bank. The money we give it to our children. If we are giving them 500 rupees per month, it's a big amount nowadays, right? But if we are giving them 500 rupees, they have the value of it. They know how to spend it, how to save it. So this is one very small example. खाना खाते हैं रोज, right? आजकल बच्चे लॉकडाउन पीरियड में कुकिंग का बड़ा शौक है. मम्मी केक बनाने का मटेरियल ले आओ, और आप देखेंगे हर तरीके का स्पून घर में होगा और उसको यूज करेंगे. That is the concept of measurement they are using. Still they feel that why are we doing mathematics? They don't have any idea that every step of life they are using it, but still they ask that why are we learning it? So, too often math is taught as a series of memorizations, where even math games are often repacked drill and kill exercise. Life, just like great movies, is filled with open-ended journeys, with open-ended questions. Students should learn not only the skills of arithmetic, but they also how to ask better questions to determine what is needed. The chart below shows why we so often fail in teaching open math in the classroom. Just have a look. what actually it is and what the students feel about it. Okay, below is a select list of our other favorite maths tools. You can also go online to find a more thorough list of maths resources. These are few resources, few apps. Although personally I feel, dear teachers, कि हम सबसे बड़ा टूल हैं. हम अपने आप में चलता फिरता गूगल हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. अगर हम थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करेंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स को ना तो इन एप्स की जरूरत है, ना ही इन वीडियोस की जरूरत है. I felt this time कि जो जिस तरीके से हम अपने बच्चों को तैयार कर रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से हम उनको लर्निंग दे रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से वो मैथ्स को लर्न कर रहे हैं, कभी सोचा नहीं था कि घर पे बैठ के अपनी क्लास के बच्चों को ऐसे पढ़ाएंगे. Still we are able to finish the syllabus. Still we are doing the work. Still we are checking their work. And now have a look. The use of mathematics in everyday life. That was one example. This is the another example. Even those suffering from maths-related anxieties or phobias cannot escape its everyday presence in their lives. From home to school to work and places in between, maths is everywhere. Whether using measurements in a recipe or deciding if half a tank of gas will make the destination, we all use maths. It is a good idea. Therefore, for teachers and parents of reluctant maths learner to use real-world example to ignite a spark of practical interest. And my dear teachers, my dear friends, all of us do it. हमारा सब हम अपनी क्लास में जो फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, जब तक हर बच्चे के स्माइल में कंसेप्ट के साथ एक फेस पे स्माइल ना आ जाए, तब तक हम आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकते. हमें ये महसूस होता है कि हम हाय क्या करें, मेरी 4 बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आया है, तो हर तरीके से उनको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि listen to us. And we teach them that math helps us think analytically and have better reasoning abilities. Analytical thinking refers to the ability to think critically about the world around us. Analytical and reasoning skills are essential because they help us solve problems and look for the solutions. Okay, this is technology provides new ways of learning. Everyone is, I will not discuss it because all my teachers are using these technologies these days. किस तरीके से, कैसे, किस वीडियो से, YouTube से अपनी वीडियो बना के या कहीं से भी कोई भी रिसोर्स हम पैदा करके बच्चों को वो क्वेश्चन समझा रहे हैं, हर चीज समझा रहे हैं. Now, have a look. Need of the students. एक बच्चा अपने बारे में क्या समझता है? Everything I do turns into success. मतलब जब कुछ भी करता है उसको लगता है मेरा काम परफेक्ट है. I radiate positive energy. All my relations are harmonious. I express my creativity. एक हमारी क्लास में 40 बच्चों के क्लास में अगर हम एक एक्टिविटी देते हैं, हर एक बच्चे का बनाने का अपना अपना तरीका है. और you know, when they do this activity, they think my creativity is best. I'm special and I'm unique. My teacher will say that very good, you have done extremely good work. I'm living my full potential. Whatever the work I have done, चाहे जैसा भी है, मैंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया है. So apart from these values, mathematics poses a number of other educational values also. Okay. Okay. How to teach is a really difficult problem for the teachers because teaching is an art. Different methods of teaching have been proposed by different educational thinkers in education. This was the direct outcome of the development of psychology, where the guru was equated only with God. हम सब ने सुना है शिक्षक दिवस की स्पीच ही यहाँ से शुरू होती है. गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तमसी गुरु तस्मै गुरुवे नमः. Okay, dear teachers, I'm sharing certain works with you because this will be the activity for you people in the next session. That will be tomorrow at 5:30 with me. So preparations in advance, what does it mean? आप सबने आज सुबह नेहा मैम ने बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन दी, बहुत अच्छे से बताया. माय फ्रेंड तिप्ता मैम सेड कि मैं पिछले दिन उनको वीडियो भेज देती थी कंसेप्ट का और वो करते थे, अगले दिन उनको पता होता था कि हमने क्या करना है. एंड द सेम थिंग मिनी मैम सेड कि मैं 5 क्वेश्चंस के लिए एक वीडियो बनाकर भेजती थी क्वेश्चन की, जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, सो दैट माय चिल्ड्रन शुड नो कि हम कल क्लास में क्या करेंगे. सो दीज आर फ्यू एग्जांपल्स आई हैव डन ओवर हियर. सी, डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शनल, अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखें तो ये बच्चों को करवाने से पहले भेजा गया. I send them the video of direct variation also and inverse variation also, and have a look on the middle slide. You must be watching that on 3rd May 2020. मैंने बच्चों को 5 तारीख को करने वाला काम पहले भेजा. क्लिक की पिक्चर बिकॉज बुक्स वर नॉट देयर, तो स्क्रीन शेयर किया, उनको बताया और ये एक्सरसाइज क्लास में की. Yesterday also I said timetable for the Zoom class. That was for the safety of the students. पेरेंट्स को ये ना लगे कि हमारे बच्चे कभी भी कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ जाते हैं, कभी भी मोबाइल लेके बैठ जाते हैं. तो दिस टाइम टेबल वाज गिवन टू देम इन प्रायर नोटिस. As I said, what we did and everyone did. हंसराज फैमिली के हर मेंबर ने ये किया. Just see. On the extreme left, there is a boy sitting with so many things. He's enjoying his summer vacations. You know, this was the summer party before the vacations. हर एक बच्चा, you know, every student did the same table laying. They enjoyed a lot, and that was done online. And on the extreme right, have a look. This was the activity given to the students. उनको कहा गया कि घर पे नंबर लाइन एक्टिविटी, राइट? आपकी बुक में 7th क्लास की बुक में देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द points? So I told the students that they have to do this activity with the parents, and they did it.
This is my photo.
I know. Yes, this is your photo. You liked it? You liked it?
Yes, ma'am.
I love you, dear. Thank you so much.
Actually, he's watching your seminar along with me, na?
Oh, that's great. Okay, dear teachers, I will not take much time on these activities because Neha ma'am explained everything in the morning. That was wonderful. That was wonderful. Ma'am ने हर एक activity को बहुत अच्छे से explain किया. There are few more activities. You can have a look, dear teachers. See? Rangometry and straw connections. These are different activities which can be integrated, and this is a list of art integration. If you want to, you can take the screenshot of these activities. It will be very helpful to everyone. You can take the screenshot. And you know, this resource has been taken from the CBSE itself. I haven't done anything here. This resource has been taken from the CBSE. So integration between mathematics and arts is a great combination to make math class interactive, interesting, enjoyable, and funable so that children learn mathematics with fun. Ultimate goal क्या है? बच्चों तक पहुंचना. Ultimate aim क्या है? कि बच्चों को सब कुछ समझ आए. I think everyone is doing the same thing. This is math art integration. जब मैं स्कूल में गई थी, different schools के साथ, different teachers के साथ I worked, and every teacher has done the wonderful work with their children. और बच्चे, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि रूरल एरिया के बच्चे ने काम नहीं किया है. I think वहाँ के बच्चे बहुत सुंदर बनाते हैं. Then use of different writing boards, dear teachers. Blackboard, chalkboard with whiteboard. ये कल विनोद सर ने कहा. आप मुझे ये आप देख सकते हैं. This is the slide used by me. What I did, मैंने जूम कैमरा को स्ट्रेट अवे बोर्ड के ऊपर लगा के उनको पढ़ाया. तो मेरे बच्चों को ये महसूस हुआ कि जो मैम है वो सीधा पढ़ा रही है. वो बस फर्क इतना है कि मैम घर में अपने बोर्ड पे पढ़ा रही हैं और हम घर पे बैठ के उनको वहां से वॉच कर रहे हैं. That was straight away interaction with the students. स्ट्रेट अवे उनको बिल्कुल फील नहीं हुआ कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. The teacher can call upon the students to interact with the whiteboard themselves. अगर मैं अभी आपको annotation की परमिशन दूं तो आप में से अभी देखिए मेरे एक कुलीग ने बड़ी सुंदर लाइन बनाई है. यहाँ पे हर एक बंदे को दिखाई दे रही होगी. तो this kind of the annotation can be done for the productive work. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हमने कहा था कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएबल्स भरिए, तो मेरे बच्चों को अगर मैं एनोटेशन की परमिशन देती हूँ तो दे कुड हैव रिटन देमसेल्व्स द वेरिएशन ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल्स एंड कांस्टेंट्स. Okay, dear teachers, these were the different modes of communications used by us: WhatsApp, YouTube, Zoom, Snapwork, then Google Classroom. Now I have a 2 minutes video for you people. Just have a look कि मैंने काम कैसे भेजा, और मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी बात की, टीचर्स के साथ, उन्होंने भी सेम चीज की. Have a look.
A very good morning to all of you, dear students of class 7. I know maximum of the students are facing the problem while adding or subtracting the rational numbers. So it is a small video for all of you to understand this concept. Kindly go through the video for at least 2 to 3 times. So I'm going to do it step by step. Step 1, have a look. Write the question in standard form. Minus 3 upon 1, minus 2 upon 5. Then these two numbers are negative, so it will be plus 2 upon 3. These two numbers are negative, plus 1 upon 3. I hope the first step is clear. Step 2. Take the LCM. When you will take the LCM of this question, you will see that the LCM of 1, 5, 3 and 3 is 15. You know where.
So, my dear teachers, this was just an idea. So tomorrow I may call upon any of the teachers to present their work that they did with their students. So 10 minutes will be given to that activity only. I want to see how you people did with your students. That is why I'm not interacting much today. I want that the work done by my colleagues, I want to share with other teachers also. Now have a look there on this. Analysis of current data by students. Prepare a report from the given information. It's a wonderful activity, dear teachers. See, how देखिए, the numbers grow. The percentage of people who say that will avoid visit theaters amidst the growing COVID-19 threat is growing exponentially. ये कुछ नहीं है. मैंने एक कोविड-19 की थ्रेड को एक स्लाइड को लिया और अपने बच्चों को दिया कि यू पीपल हैव टू एनालाइज इट. उनकी एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज. या सो आई सेड कि जिसको जैसे दिल करता है इस डाटा को इंटरप्रेट कीजिए. एंड यू नो, वंडरफुल रिजल्ट्स वर गिवन. स्टूडेंट्स डिड इट वेरी वेल एंड आई होप अगर इस तरीके की एक्टिविटी बच्चों के साथ की जाए, यही तो टैक्ट ऑफ टीचिंग है, यही तो है जो हम करना चाहते हैं. माय डियर टीचर्स, आई डोंट टेक मच हेल्प फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. मुझे जैसे लगता है कि मेरा ये बच्चा ऐसे समझना चाहता है, मैं उसको वैसे समझाती हूँ. और हर टीचर, एवरी टीचर इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग इन देयर क्लास with their children, with their work. So I've written here to be continued. Dear teachers, tomorrow there will be an interactive session. But before that, you people are requested to be prepared with your at least 1 minute 30 seconds video जो आपने अपने बच्चों को समझाया. It may exceed 2 minutes also, but time constraint is there. आप जानते हैं अच्छी तरीके से, Zoom minute is for 40 minutes. मुझे आज बहुत बुरा लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत लोगों से, मैं बहुत बात करना चाह रही थी बट नहीं किया. बट यू नो व्हाट इज द एम एक्चुअली. किसी दिन आप भी तो ऐसा करते हैं ना कि पढ़ाने के लिए आप बच्चों को सबसे पहले बोलते हैं, डियर आज मैं बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाऊंगी, मुझे सुनना. आज मैं एक एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से बता रही हूँ, मुझे सुनना. आज मैं आप लोगों से बात नहीं करूंगी बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट दैट एवरीवन शुड पे फुल अटेंशन ऑन द असाइनमेंट दैट आई एम गिविंग टू यू. सो जो काम मैं आपके साथ करना चाहती हूँ वो बड़े आराम से आज हुआ. आई होप कि मैं अपने एम को पूरा कर सकी. सो थैंक यू सो मच. विनोद सर, आपके बिना काम नहीं चलता. कोई कमेंट विनोद सर? नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार मैडम, कैसे हैं?
बस सर, छोटे से टाइम में बहुत कुछ करने की कोशिश है.
हाँ नहीं, बहुत very well prepared and very well executed by you. But
हाँ,
at my part, I just do the direct
Same.
interaction with my student. No other videos I do share with them.
sir,
I
मैं भी
just do my work on the board.
even I do it, sir. Even I do it. And मैं कह रही हूँ, यहाँ जितने टीचर्स बैठते हैं वो सब इतना ही अच्छा करते हैं सर.
You
Within
do so much along with the work what I do. Na? You do so much extra
नहीं,
along with that.
Thank you, Vinod sir. I think सबकी बात को विनोद सर पूरी करते हैं. And I'm thankful to all the teachers. I'm
Yes,
sending the link
Thank
to you.
you.
I'm sending the link to you. Kindly send your feedback and see you tomorrow in Neha ma'am's session and my session. Thank you so much, dear teachers. Thanks a lot. Lily ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am. We have 1 minute's time.
नहीं मैम, nothing.
Lily ma'am, I'm really missing
I'll talk to you on telephone only. No problem.
Most welcome. Any help?
No problem.
Any help?
Actually, I have to fill the. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. God bless all. Thank you. Stay safe.
Not getting your link. ना? Link में problem आ रही थी मुझे. That's the thing only.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not getting.
Okay, I just send it again, ma'am.
हाँ. That's the thing only.
Yeah. Okay, I hope everyone has got it.
हाँ. Got it.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Thanks a
Yes.
lot, ma'am. Thank you, Ji. Thank you.